Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Asteria Hair. But before I get started on all of the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also turn those notifications on because you don't want to miss out on any of my videos. Just showing you guys some of the items that come in the box. They did include an elastic band. They included a wig cap and also a pair of eyelashes, and then a little satin bag to store your unit in. Now, me personally, I do not keep the boxes that are like this because they tear up very easily. The only boxes that I like to keep is those hard, sturdy ones if I have room for them. Other than that, they will go in the bag. So the unit that I will be showing you guys today is their curly 13x6 lace front wig. This one is in the length 20 inches. It's 180% in density, and I do have a small cap, and I believe this is a natural color, but it is coming off dark. You guys have to let me know, but it's definitely giving me 1B vibes. Now, this unit does have your regular cap construction. It comes with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, and also your adjustable straps. And then right here is all of the parting space, and you do get a pre-plucked hairline, and you also get some baby hairs in the front. That is what the knots look like. I am going to go in and bleach those knots because they are coming off a little bit dark. And as you guys can see, the lace on this, just like with their lace closure wigs, comes off very light, so I am going to have to go in and tint it. Did go ahead and wash this unit using my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner. During the washing process, I did get a good amount of shedding with this hair. I just want to let you guys know. I also did bleach the knots. I used my 30 volume developer and my L'Oreal bleach, and I left it on for about 20 minutes, and it definitely knocked out those knots from looking so dark. And I did use the tint, which I like to use the Taylor Crown lace tint in the color Caramel. And right now I am just working on cutting the sides off by my ears. Because this is a lace frontal wig, I definitely have to go in and kind of cut over by my ears because it is going to flap over, and I do not want that to happen at all. Making sure that the wig is lined up before I start to go in using my Glam Force spray. Now, this cap size, I should have added the elastic band on because this cap definitely fits different than the lace closure cap. This one is coming off just a tad bit too big, but I am gonna adhere this down today, like I said, using my Glam Force spray. And I'm just going in section. I made sure to spray in the middle first, and then I will begin to start spraying on the side. Another thing that I did with this unit, I ended up plucking out a lot of the hair because I wanted the hairline to look more natural. I mean, it probably looks a little bit crazy right now, but it is definitely all going to come together towards the end, which you guys will see, and it's going to blend in really well. Now, I am still new to kind of making sure that the lace tint is matching me correctly, so I'm still practicing on that and just how much to spray. I try not to overspray with the lace tint. Now, it will wash off some, so that's the good thing, but I try not to overspray with it because I don't want it to come off just looking too orange. I really want it to blend in very well so I don't have to use a lot of powder. You guys can see I did not go in with the blow dryer. I just kind of took my time and let it kind of air dry on its own. This step, guys, was so unnecessary for me to do. Usually when I try to create baby hairs on the side, I usually will tuck my hair behind my ear. I don't know what I was thinking about right here because I knew that I did not want the hair tucked. I just wanted the hairline to look very natural. So these baby hairs on the side, well, these sideburns were just so uncalled for, and I ended up not liking them, and they didn't even show. So it was really pointless. So I'm just showing you guys still exactly what I'm doing. Of course, everything that I do is not going to come out perfect. But yeah, it was so unnecessary. I could easily just put some water or some more mousse and just kind of blend it all in on the sides. But because I had already started, I was just going to let it go and let it ride. I'm done with them sideburns that I didn't care for. I'm just going in with my Care wax stick around the hairline and on the sides, and then of course at the top by the parting space, and just kind of smoothing everything out. And then I'm going to go in and add my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette, and I'm going to place that around the hairline also, just to kind of make sure that it's going to blend in very well. As you guys can see, it is starting to blend really good. I always do the head trick where I look up to make sure that the lace is not too light, or I'm not going to have that halo effect. For me, that just kind of lets me know how well it's going to blend in. Now I'm just going to take my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and I'm going to begin fluffing up the hair. As you guys can see, that is what it looks like on one side. Thick. This is thick. It's 180% density. This is a true 180% in density. This is a lot of hair. Of course, it is still hot, especially here in Texas, so this might be too much to be wearing out in that 100-degree weather, but I think that this is going to be great for fall. Guys, so another thing I wanted to let you guys know is that if this is just entirely too much hair, it's so beautiful. Look at it though. It's so beautiful. If this is entirely too much hair, you do not have to get the 180% density. They do offer this unit in 130% and 150%. Now, if you just like some really big hair, don't care, then they also have this in 200%. This unit also goes up to 24 inches. Like I said, I have it in 20 inches, but they do have the lengths 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18 also. This is what it looks like in a pony. Look at that ponytail, y'all. Look how thick that ponytail is. Yes, this is definitely giving me big hair, don't care vibes. If you are not feeling the whole frontal look, they also have this available in the 6x6 closure. This particular 13x6 is just newer to the site, so I wanted to come and show you guys. Like I said, this is definitely some big thick hair, don't care. So if you are ready for some fall and winter hair, then I definitely suggest this one, and it's not too expensive because of the amount of hair that you are getting. Now, like I said, I did go in and put the hairline to make it look a little bit more natural, and I will also make sure to drop a selfie. It was not the sunniest outside that day, so I'll make sure to try to drop a selfie in so you guys can see what it looks like on my iPhone camera. But yeah, guys, I feel like this looks really pretty, guys. Let me know what you think about this style on me, and if you are feeling the big hair. If you are, I'll make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area once again. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye, guys.